written in your copy also? And I suppose now also you are sitting with your rough copy along with your pencil and eraser. I will make you to write down. I will write on the board and I will share screen also with you how to write reverse counting from 100 to 51. So before we start from 100 to 51, let us revise from 50 to 1. All right? We will do the revision. Then we will be thorough. That is why it is must for us to revise. So you all repeat after me. Okay? So first is 50. 50. Before 50, what comes? 49. Children, all of you repeat after me. Yes? First is 50, then 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, and 41. All right? You have repeated? How many of you have repeated? Raise your hand. Yes, I hope you all have repeated. Now we come to next number. That is 40. So repeat after me. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, and 31. Yes? You have repeated till 31. Now next number is 30. So repeat after me. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, and 21. Yes, you all are good children. I'm watching you that you are repeating after me. So we have repeated till 21. Now, next number is 20, 20. Okay? So repeat after me, children. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, and then 11. Okay? We have repeated till 11. Now, next number is 10. 1, 0, 10. So repeat after me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and finally we reached to 1. Okay? Good. So we have repeated from 50 to 1. So today we are doing from 100 to 51. Okay, children? So, in your rough copy, you will have to write down today's date. What is the date today? Today is 12th April 2021. Yes. Which class is this? This is maths class. And you are in which standard? I mean which class? So you are in class 1. Okay? So in your rough notebook, you write this question. Write reverse counting 100 to 51. Okay? So see this. I have written here 100, 100. And before 100 comes what? 99. Yes? Before 99, 98. Before 98, 97. Before 97, 96. Before 96, 95. Before 95, 94. Before 94, 93. Before 93, 92. And before 92, we have 91. Okay, children? Yes? So, our next number will be 9090. Okay. So, this is 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, and finally 81. Okay? So next number is 8080. Then we have 79 coming before 80. Then 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, and 71. Okay? Yes. Next number is 7070. Before 70 comes 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, and 61. Now next number is 6060. So before 60 comes 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, and finally we reached 51. Okay, children? So now I will share with you screen. Okay, how to write that you will see. So children, write in your notebook clearly, properly, without making any mistake. All right? Without making any mistake. See, I have shared your screen. How to write in that square box. See in that square box and write properly. Okay? Okay, children. So you have seen how to write in your copy. Now see the blackboard and write down from here. Okay? See the blackboard and write down from here. We repeat again. This is 100, 100, 99, 99, 98, 98, 97, 97, 96, 96, 95, 95, 94, 94, 93, 93, 92, 92, and 91, 91. Okay? Next we have 90, 90. Copy down correctly from the blackboard. Okay? Blackboard is seen very clearly. I have seen in your computer also it is going. It is seeing very clearly. So see from the blackboard and write clearly, neatly, without making any mistake. So 90, 90, 89, 89, 88, 88, 87, 87, 86, 86, 85, 85, 84, 84, 83, 83, 82, 82, and 81, 81. You have to remember at the end, everywhere it ends with 1, not with 0. Okay, here it is 91, here it is 81, here it is 71, 61, and 51. All right. When we do forward counting, then it ends with 0. But when we do reverse counting, here the number ends with 1. So you have to keep this in mind. All right. By mistake also, don't write here 9090 or 8080 or 7070 or 6060 or 5050, because this 00 everything we have written on the top. Okay. So below it will end with 1. So next is 80, 80, 79, 79, 78, 78, 77, 77, 76, 76, 75, 75, 74, 74, 73, 73, 72, 72, and 71, 71. Okay? Right, children? I'm giving you time. Next is 7070. Then 69, 69, 68, 68, 67, 67, 66, 66, 65, 65, 64, 64, 63, 63, 62, 62, and 61, 61. Okay. Now we come to 6060. So 59, 59, 58, 58, 57, 57, 56, 56, 55, 55, 54, 54, 53, 53, 52, 52, and 51, 51. So, okay, children, I'm giving you time. Write down. Everything is written clearly on board. See from the board and write down. Okay? Yes, I will see your notebooks also. You have to show me how you are writing. If you have finished, you can show your notebook. Children, yes, I saw you that some of you have finished. Very good. And some have not yet finished. No issue. You can write slowly. There is time with you. Okay. What about Tejas? Tejas is writing or not? Yes, Tejas. Write down. Okay, children. We have lots of time. Yash, you are in which class? Yash, you are in which class? Stand up. You are in which class, beta? Stand up properly. I want to just see you. You are in which class, beta? Please tell. 1. Which section? Okay, no issue. So you know your section properly, right? You should know. So now continue with your writing. Those who have finished, very good. Those who have not yet finished, write down. There is sufficient time with you. Okay? So board is seen clearly. You can see from the board, and I have already shown you on screen how to write in square box. So write down that way and see from the board. So children, have you all finished? Shall we repeat once more? Repeat after me. Then we will wind up with this class. Okay? So repeat after me. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, and 71. 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, and finally we reached 51. Okay, we are thorough with our reverse counting also. Yes? So those who have not completed, complete it. I'm giving you time. I'm giving you time, children. Complete it. We have repeated also. So, children, you have to revise when you are at home. Okay? So, all the best. Learn properly. Stay safe and secure. Okay? Stay at home and stay safe. Okay? God bless.